This gorgeous open concept mansion was built in the year 2000 and was already sold to developers, been demolished, and a new mansion is being built to replace it. Thankfully, we got to explore it before that process started. Starting in this back bedroom of this beautiful looking mansion. I'm with Carlo, Ethan, Angelo today. We're gonna go wander around, see what we can find in here. Let's get at it. Beautiful windows. Gorgeous. You can hear these guys in the background. Oh, look at this bathroom. Look at this. There's a red light in the ceiling. Wow. So this place looks pretty empty. There's a double door to the bathroom. And it opens up into this big open room here. Have some decay here in the ceiling. Wow, look at this place. Not too sure what this would have been. French doors on both doorways, leading into this big open room. What's in here? A laundry room?
This is the laundry room, yeah. It's nice.
Oh wow.
A lot of light.
Big and spacious. Oh, that's natural light.
Yeah, skylights.
Wow. Very cool. And this must have been the dining room. Yep, I would say so, because this is the kitchen. Look at this. They're going to demolish this. Look at that. Another skylight with natural light coming in. Oh, look at the wood ceiling. That is gorgeous. Oh, look at that chandelier. Oh, that ceiling is beautiful. More French doors. Oh, and I'm standing in front of a wall mirror. Nice. This is the front door area. Nice, big open front door area. Beautiful. Look at this. This place is amazing so far. Beautiful. Another fireplace on this side. This statue. Seeing more decay and damage here on this beam. It's a lot of water damage coming down. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is a nice home. I probably won't be going out to explore the backyard too much. There's a lot of neighbors, but you can see they're on a decent sized plot of land. All wooden shutters on the windows. Oh, this place is so nice. Not bad.
Not too bad, right?
Yeah, just a little bit. You know, could only see myself living here. You know.
Yeah.
So they're demoing this. Is that what they said?
I think so. From what we found, it looks like they're trying to sell it to like a developer or something.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah, they're calling it a development opportunity.
Oh, jeez. Look at this bathroom. Very nice. And what is this over here? What do you think this area was? I have no idea. And it has seating. Oh, there's a way down to the basement, and there's mold. Little corner seat area. That's a fish tank. That's an aquarium, small aquarium in the wall there. Wow, you can see out to the front porch. Another nice, big, beautiful bathroom. Wow, double mirrors. There's a mirror and sink on each side. Wow. The windows in every one of these rooms. Oh, there's a pretty rancid smell in this room. I don't know what that smell is. It's bad. Light fixture. I don't know what that smell is. It almost smells like something's dead. That's gross. This one has built-in cabinets on each side of the window. So nice. This whole house is so nice. And they're gonna demo it. Looks like this was a display of some kind. It has a light in the bottom and top. Oh, and another beautiful bathroom. So this would have been the master bedroom. Double mirrors. Wow. This is so nice. Is this actual marble wall? It is. So nice. What's over here? Oh, this is a walk-in closet with a vanity at the end and mirrors. These are sliding door mirrors. What a bedroom. You been in here yet?
No, I haven't been in yet.
Oh, this master bedroom's beautiful.
Really?
Oh yeah.
So I'm gonna do every room left to right and then do the master.
Yeah.
Okay. It looks like this area would be like really, really high end. I don't know what it is.
Okay, we're back out here. Look at this room. Head down into the basement. Oh yeah, look at this mold everywhere. Oh, that's brutal. Yeah. It doesn't look very finished. It does have drywall on the walls, but concrete floor. Oh, the mold is bad. It's a tiny little furnace room. No. Oh, yeah. Everywhere in here is mold.
Wow, it's literally everywhere.
Yeah, every wall. Black mold, the best kind. Ugh. Quickly gonna make my way around through here so I can get back upstairs and out of this mold. In here, spider webs. Okay, yeah, that's enough of down here. Almost falling down the stairs. Back up into this beautiful kitchen. Wow, beautiful. I know I said I wouldn't be going in the backyard, but here we are. I have to keep it quiet. Oh, there's an extra bathroom just for the backyard. Can hear neighbors out, so I'm not gonna have my voice really loud or anything. Very quickly gonna show the back of this house. It is a beauty, that is for sure. A nice big deck area. I'm still hearing neighbors just on the other side of that tree line. I think that's a good indicator to end this one off. You guys let me know what you think of this house. What was your favorite feature? I like the whole thing, the very open concept with the wood beams and the wood ceiling. Love it. This backyard deck is very nice as well. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure to check out Angelo, Carlo, Ethan. Always, as always, check out terrywilson.ca, and I'll see you on the next adventure.